In this video, first we will learn all the meanings of the word anyway, which are most frequently used by the native speakers. Let's start. Number 1. We use anyway when we want to add something to support an idea, argument, or what we are talking about. Here are example sentences. It's not of good quality, and anyway, the color doesn't suit me. It's too early anyway. Number 2. The second meaning of anyway is despite something, even so. Here it means that something happened or is true. So something else has happened to stop somebody from doing or to stop from happening this. Here are example sentences. It was cold outside, but I took a shower anyway. I'm afraid we can't attend your marriage, but I thank for the invitation anyway. Number 3. To change the subject of conversation, to end the conversation, or to return to a subject. You can use anyway when you want to change a subject or topic and the talking with someone, or you want to return to a specific topic. For example, anyway, let's forget about this party for the moment. Anyway, you would better go now. I'll see you on Sunday. Number 4. To correct or slightly change. Anyway is used when we want to correct or slightly change what we have said. Here are example sentences. Carl works in an agency. He did when I last saw him anyway. Our next word is antagonism. Antagonism means feelings of hatred or opposition. When you have feelings of hatred and strongly oppose someone, you show antagonism. For example, the racial antagonism weakens the society. The verb form of antagonism is antagonize. Antagonize means to do something to make a person angry with you. James' acts and behavior can antagonize her further. It means that James can make her angry with him. Our next word is prerogative. Prerogative means a right or advantage of a person or group. When a particular person or group has a right or advantage because of their importance, social status, and position, then you can use the word prerogative. It's my prerogative to ask something about her. In many countries, education is the prerogative of the rich. Subscribe, like, and share.